Welcome to RoyTech video tutorial. Today we are going to talk about Thematic Manager Interface Overview Part 2. This is the open project we are using for our presentation right now. Over here, when you click the Station 1 project, you will see the station and the buses. Let's go to NetPro. In the NetPro screen, it will show you the network configuration you have for this project. You can see you have the Station 1 and the IM153. Both are using Profibus. And the Station 1 is using a Profinet as well. So the PLC is using Profibus and Profinet, and this external device is using only Profibus. If you click the industrial Ethernet bus, it will display all the devices that are interconnected using the industrial Ethernet. If you click the Profibus, it will show you the devices are interconnected with the Profibus. In this case, only two. It's 1 and 2. Okay, let's close this window and let's go to the hardware configuration. In the hardware configuration is where you can see all the devices that are in your project, all the devices that you configure when you start a new project. In this case, you have the PLC, the digital input, digital output, and analog input in the rack. Using the bus, the Profibus, you have this IM153 external device with a Profibus to the PLC. We'll click the rack over here, and here it shows you all the devices with the order number, the firmware, the MPI address. We are not using any MPI. The I/O address. In this case, for the digital input, I'm using from byte 0 to byte 3. For the digital output, from byte 4 to byte 7. And over here is where you pick all the devices you want to put into your project in order to do the hardware configuration. For example, if you are looking for the PLCs, you can pick from here the PLC you want to configure. And you can add all the signal modules like digital input, or digital output, or any other device. So this is for Thematic 300 family and for Thematic 400 family. And you have more over here. All the Profibus and Profinet and different devices over here. So this is where you pick the device and you put it back over here in the rack in order to do the hardware configuration. So this is the hardware configuration screen. Let's close it. Let me show you the blocks, for example. This is block OB1. This is the ladder logic in the OB1. You can close this window from here, but it will close only this window. If you had more than one window, let's say you have four windows open, you can close from here every single object. But if you close from this guy over here, you will close all the window. I can click here and close just only that window. Let's open one. Let's open this. So I have two objects open. If I select here and click, I close all the windows. And I will show you how you can configure your Windows overviews when you are monitoring. Option, customize. Over here you can customize your interface. It means the look of the interface. You can select the language, which language you want to see, you want to work with. All the columns. General, you can select the start location for the project and for the libraries. This is the archive program you want to use. In this case, we're using the pkzip, but if you have another program for archiving, you can select it from here. Thank you for watching RoyTech video tutorials, and see you on the next video.